Hello and welcome. This is Rosani, and today I'm going to be talking about silly pumpkin projects. Yep, you heard it here first. In September, we're going to be doing a creative collaboration with fellow content creators. We'll share our silly pumpkin creations with you. I love making crazy smiles, like this one. Coming up, I'm going to show you how I make my little cutout smiles. I just draw them out and then I outline them and cut them with the scissors. They can easily be attached onto any surface. And I like to use my pumpkin forms. This is a starter pumpkin. Oh, and I almost forgot that I added a Papier Mâché pulp nose. Here I'm adding pieces of orange crepe paper. When it dries, I'll be able to trace the outlines underneath. Sometimes I use craft tissue paper, but I didn't have any handy. But I'm going to cover as much as I can on the front of the pumpkin until I get a nice solid coating. And it doesn't really matter which way you apply it. And it will look like this. So I'm just going to let it dry before I start the outlining. By the way, this is how I make my little cutouts. I just draw them, cut them out with some scissors, and I stick them onto the pumpkin. I place them in different ways on my pumpkin form. You could create all kinds of fun-filled expressions. Fun is the key, so just have a good time with it and use your imagination. Sometimes it's easier to add a cutout to a rough surface. You can sculpt over them, do whatever you want with them. They're so easy to use and great for starting out. I had lots of fun with this one, and you're going to see there have been many additions and changes, like adding some more papier-mâché pulp dough. By the way, if you like this type of content, please give me a thumbs up. I want to say welcome if you're new to my channel, and I hope to see you again soon. And if you'd like to subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can keep up to date with the latest videos. Please be on the lookout for more videos to come where I'll be sharing other creators' content as well. I can't wait to see my friends' silly pumpkin creations. We'll have a variety, I'm sure. So you guys know who you are. As always, thanks for watching.